Alright y'all, this time around we got a lock called Sticky by Washington State Picker. This is a lock I got recently from Das Evers. Just sent me a box of awesome stuff, and this lock was in there, so I figured let's give this one a try. There's the bitting on the key. Key wasn't mummified, so we get to get a peek at it. Like I said, it's called Sticky. And oh, okay. It does. Oh yeah, this is the one. It only turns clockwise. I don't know if there's a limiter in there or if it's just, I don't know. But obviously we'll have to pick it counterclockwise because that's the way it opens. I have not tried this yet, so we'll take this journey together. So yeah, obviously we'll have to go this way. So let's get at it. Let's try. Let's see if that fits good. Ooh, that's loose. Loosey goosey. Man. Yeah, it's real loose. Okay, well, guess we'll go with that. Alright, let's try something a little different this time. Let's try one of these Sparrows. I don't know what this is called. It's kind of a little lump at the end of that low-rise pick. It's out of the Monstrum XXL set. Let's try that one. That should work, especially that key doesn't have nothing real wicked, so that should reach in there pretty good. Alright, so let's get zoomed in a little bit here. Give this thing a go. Bada boom, bada bing. And there is a little ledge right there. Hopefully I can use that to pick off of. Let's see real quick. Yeah, it's a little questionable, but I think we can do it. Let's go give it a shot. Alright. Counterclockwise, top of keyway tension, and a Sparrow's pick of some sorts. Let's see. Bouncy. I don't know if that was good, but I think pin 4 clicked a little bit. Let's see if we can come back out and find something a little better here. Okay, definitely counter rotation on, let's see, 1, it's got to be pin 2. Okay, it feels like it's set. Let's check pin 1. I feel like I'm slipping off that ledge. I don't know if I am or not. Okay, it feels like counter. I don't know, let me check in the back. Okay, counter rotation, I think it's 3. Hopefully that's set. Back up front. That felt good. 1. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we just hit 4 again, and I got a little bit more movement, I think. Let's see. I don't know, 5 feels bouncy. Okay, counter. I'm not sure if that's set or not. It doesn't feel too good. Okay, that did. Got some movement on the core. Okay, now we got pin 1. Okay, got something off of it. Still getting counter off of 1. Okay, that felt good. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, just dropped into a deeper false set off of 4. Oh, but now we dropped 5, and 5 is... Okay, so it must have one of those, what do they call them, relief cuts. So we're probably going to have to come all the way back to get 5 to set. Let's see if we can do it without losing the whole gambit. It might have. I don't know if I got that one or not. Let's see, 4. Let's check around before I commit to that. Counter rotation. That's a lot. Ooh, okay, now we're in a seriously ridiculous false set. I thought it was open, but it's not. So let's see. 4. Okay, we're back on that pin 5. So yeah, it's got one of those relief cuts in it. There we go. Okay. Bada boom, bada bang. I'm guessing the core has some of those cuts in it. Personally, not too fond of that, but you know, it is what it is. Everyone's got their own way, and maybe that's why it's called sticky. Who knows? Let's find out. Let's get backed out. So, just to show we're not in a deep false set again, we can rotate it, I'm sure. Yeah, so we're definitely open there. We got the key, so we can lock it back up. Bada boom, bada bang. All right. That was a fun one. Just enough tricky. Just enough tricky to make it sticky. Okay. Let's come back in a little bit here. All right, bada boom, bada bang. What do we got? We got us a clip. This guy might work. And it might not. And it will. Okay. Alrighty. Nice. Okay, so we got to turn it counterclockwise. So yeah, there must be a limiter or something in there because it definitely doesn't go clockwise. Alright. Shim right here. Washington State Picker. Did a good job. And he's one of those cats that I stay in contact with too. I really like that. I appreciate it. Off of, okay, that's... I wonder if the whole thing's that loose. That's pretty loose. Let me see if I got a... There we go, I think. Nope, that one doesn't fit. Okay, so we got an odd size here. Let me see. Wow. Westlock. Corbin. Yeah, that's not going either. Huh. Alright, so we got a real funky size here going. I don't know what to do. Maybe one of these 3D printed ones. Alright, that's not going to work. Let's go back to the beginning. Let's use this. 5 pins. Now, I don't know. See, I thought there was going to be one of those. Oh, I see. Really? There's a T-pin, key pin in number 3. Maybe that led to part of that super deep false set. We'll find out in a minute here. Let's get them laid out. So I'm going to have to be careful gutting the Bible or the body part because that follower doesn't fit real good. Oh, we got a 2-piece key pin in number 5. Just like that. You know what? Maybe that was because it was in the back, the pin in the back that I had to go back and reset. It probably went into that sleeve, probably lifted up, and I was stuck in the I guess it would act kind of like a spool. All right, get some eyes on. Bada boom, bada bing. Everything's threaded. All of them. All right, now, get that shim out of there. I guess it ain't real loose. I've had them where they're worse off than that, but it's not ideal, I can tell you that. All right, very carefully, because if we got one 2-piece pin, there may be another. Not here though. Serrated in one. Yeah, I'm trying to be very cautious because, like I said, the follower's not ideal. Okay, we got another serrated in 2. Carefully. Very carefully. 3. Another serrated. Yeah. Carefully. A little bit of a jacked up spring there. That was 3, so we're going for 4. Looks like another serrated, sort of, almost like a mini spool. And the last one, very carefully, is a reduced diameter serrated pin. Alright, cool. Did it without jacking nothing up. Why? Because we did it carefully. Okay, so let's see. We got anything going on up here? I do not see nothing or feel nothing in there, so no mods up top. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So this was Sticky by Washington State Picker. Very well done. Really cool. Let's get zoomed in a little bit here. Straighten that out. Get a good shot. All right, so key pins. We've got this, really it's a serrated pin, but it's going to act like a spool, really, because this part's thinner. 2 is a double serrated. 3 is, again, serrated, but this top part is T-pinned, so it's reduced diameter, so it's going to act like a serrated pin and a T-pin. As you can set up, you lift this up, and you can, when you're turning on the core with the tension, it can lock up right there real easy because this is reduced. So it'll slide off of here and probably ping right into that sucker right there. Good idea. 4 standard. 5 we had this 2-piece key pin. And I think that was part of the reason we had that really deep false set. I probably had lifted this up, and then as this springed top pin was pushing this inner one back down, I probably got stuck in here. That'd be my guess because it was pretty deep. Drivers, double serrated in 1, triple serrated in 2, serrated in 3. This one here is going to act like a spool. In 4 and 5, again, a serrated pin that actually reduces down the diameter smaller on this end. Really cool. Well done. And obviously the springs do vary. Okay, Sticky by Washington State Picker. Thank you so much, Washington State Picker, for pinning that up. Daz, thank you for sending it. I highly appreciate y'all watching, and I think I was talking about doing starting to order some stuff for the next subscriber giveaway deal, but I think I'll wait a little bit longer. I know last time I waited too long and kind of went way over, but I think I'll wait till we get a little bit closer, and I'll start ordering the stuff, and then we'll deal with that when the time comes. But I just don't want to wait till it's too late like I did last time, so we'll figure it out. Thank you all so much for watching. Big Al signing out.